Hi guys, my name is Adima and you're welcome back to Parent Scoop. I'm gonna take you along with me to the bank, just show you how the Canadian banking system works. So hope you enjoy.
We are going to the bank.
Are you going to the bank?
You want to say no? Okay. The red one? Huh?
Yeah. Hi. I'd like to get a bank draft, please. Yes.
Not food.
RBC Royal Bank.
Okay guys, we're at the next bank. So for the other bank, we made it before lunchtime. So between 12 and 1, there's usually like a lunch rush hour because everyone is trying to, you know, leave work and quickly go there. Hopefully it's the same thing here. If not, we might be here for a while. Anyways, yeah, and also banks are open on Saturdays, but I mean, I'm free today, so I'm going today instead of Saturday. You guys, the second place took much longer. The queue was a little bit long, and then they were just asking me 1,000,000 questions, like so tiring. But anyway, they had to do their due diligence, I guess. What are the things that you noticed, you know, that are different from banks in your country if you're not from Canada and the banks in Canada? For me, the Nigerian banks, number one would be there is no security guard, there is no security doors, so there's no fence, nothing. You just drive in, you park, and then you go inside. Nobody's doing like a scan. In the Nigerian banks, in some of them anyways, you are going through the bank as if you are going through airport security, because they scan you down, and then some of them even have the security doors. And then the other thing, like a very clear difference, is just, I guess, the volume. Like in Nigerian bank, I hear stories how people go there from morning time and like they don't leave till the afternoon. Like, what are you guys doing there? But here is not as much people go in. Most things you can honestly solve yourself, but some things you have to still come into the bank. And even though there's a queue, at least it won't be from like morning till night. It'll probably be like, I don't know, 2 hours depending on what you're doing, and that is if the queue is like really long. Yeah, so those are the big key differences.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so we're expecting lots and lots and lots of snow this weekend, 80 cm for that matter. Stay tuned to see how it turns out.
24 hours later.
Church was even cancelled. That's how bad the snow is.
God, please, no! No! No!
The snow is serious. You guys, I'm going to go and be a good wife and help my husband clear the snow. Even though it's like 5 minutes, but it's like 5 minutes less his own time that he will be spending outside. He cleared yesterday. He's going to clear today, and the snow is still happening overnight, so he's most likely going to clear again tomorrow. That's a lot of snow, guys. Let's go outside and clear some snow. Oh, Guys, it's cold. It's cold outside. It's snowy. It's still snowing. Feels like hailstones though as the thing is dropping because it's painful. And I did not help anything. I just wanted to do video. I talk. I was not helpful, but at least emotional support counts, Abby. That's helping. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't believe this snow is still happening tonight. Like, can it stop for a minute? Did I show you guys the back? So, like, this is the back. See? This is where the door is going up. Whether tonight it will reach the handle. Yeah. Church was cancelled. Church was, well, not cancelled, it was just online. Yeah, I'm sure even the roads, they haven't been able to like clear them yet because of how much snow it is. I hope it doesn't happen again, Sha, this winter. This better be this kind of the last heavy snow. In fact, let's even be the last snow this winter. What kind of life? Anyways, I am going to go and edit my video so I can have it posted for you guys today. You guys, it's day 3 of the snow and it is going higher and higher. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Like, that's the door and this is where it is. Michelle wants to go and help her daddy clear the snow. Guys, see a small shovel. Look at the big snow. When will she finish shoveling? Yeah, man, it's not a day's job. It's 3 days job. 3 days job. Oh my gosh. Good. Please don't make me have fun. You guys, the struggle is real. See, this place was cleared yesterday, and today the people that cleared the roads now blocked our driveway. Look at that. So I had a delivery thinking by today everything is over now. Unfortunately for me, it's not over. So then I had to walk like this. Look at all this. I had to go across here to get it over there from the road. And then I had to walk all the way here. I'm the one that dug this path. I didn't have energy to do everything. I just did what was enough to get me to my delivery. And the poor woman too. We had to be crossing the thing from across this snowbank. The struggle is real.